Hello YouTube! Narito na naman si Luis Daniel Vlogs para mag-reaksyon ng horror videos. At itong video na to ay galing kay Nook's Top 5 at syempre matatakot na naman tayo dito mga kaibigan, mga ka-vloggers. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, simulan na natin to. At reaction na natin mga kaibigan. And let's go! So yan, simulan na natin ito mga kaibigan. Let's start. Ready na kayo matakot? Syempre naman. My goodness. Takot mga kaibigan.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. A playful spirit. Reddit user Bleachpong says that he and his brothers have experienced a very bizarre haunting throughout their entire childhood in their
Lala ko dati, naglalaro kami ng Lego yun. So yan, uso yan dati, yung Lego na binubuo, ina-assemble, no? Yan yung laruan namin dati. Nung way back, ano pa, no?
family home.
Katakot naman yung bahay. Kaibigan.
They would often hear the sound of someone loudly digging through their large collection of Legos, even though there was no one else in the house. Late one night, they hear the familiar sound of shuffling Legos and run down the hall to record. They caught something incredibly creepy on camera.
Dude, that's weird. That's fine. That's loud. Yeah, that's very loud. Go in. Go in. Come. What's going on now? Shh. What the heck?
Ano meron dyan?
Dude, there's nothing. What? Is that coming out? There's nobody up here. There's literally nothing in here. And look how heavy this is. Yeah. Hang on, there's nothing up here. What the crap? There's nothing in here either, look. I could hear it when we got about halfway down the hallway. Yeah, it stopped. As we got closer.
I just heard once. Like I came out and heard like shh.
Haba naman ng ano nyo. Ng usapan nyo dyan.
All I heard.
Yeah, but we heard it.
Paramdam na dyan,
We were just sitting here and we heard
heard it start?
over. Yeah, we heard it start and it went for like,
How long ago before you got me?
it probably went for about 10 seconds, 10 or 15 seconds.
Let's watch it. Let's watch it. You watch it.
Did you see it?
Alin? Nung did you see it?
Nothing up here.
Ayan, tinuturo. Uy, gumagalaw.
A large Lego toy called a Bionicle seemingly turns its head to look at the boys.
My goodness. Katakot yun, ha? Grabe, creepy.
Hang on, there's nothing up here.
When Reddit users speculated that the toy was battery powered and that was why the head moved, Bleachpong
Battery powered pala yun. So ano yung controller? May controller din. Pwedeng makontrol yung robot. Takot naman
posted
yan.
close-up pictures of the toy's neck to show that there was no mechanical mechanism at work.
My goodness. So ano talaga siya? Minumulto na yung robot na yan.
So,
Lego na robot.
Bleachpong and his family haunted by a child ghost who just wants to play Legos? Or is it all a hoax? You decide. By the way, you can check out Bleachpong's full continuing story over in the subreddit r Paranormal. Look out. In this
Katakot.
video, YouTube ghost hunters, the Holy Walkers, team up with several other popular YouTube ghost hunting channels to explore the haunted Medina Mansion in Florida.
Uy, haunted mansion daw. Aanuhin nila. Pupuntahan mga kaibigan.
The house has a dark history.
Katakot yung ano. Yung loob niya, yung labas pa lang pala. Ayun, napakadilim, no? Grabe. Kung pupunta kayo dito, kikilabutan na kayo agad.
As Mrs. Medina's life was taken by her husband
Ooh.
in the home. Included in the investigating crew is Franco TV, C's Crazy Crossroads, and Urban Ghosts Urban Exploration. Frank from Franco TV decides that they should try a seance. And then things get a little spooky.
Ba't nagganyan kayo? Naku, katakot naman yan. Sobrang creepy yan. Baka may kakaiba na naman mangyari dito.
Can you come closer to me?
Pinakausap yung ano.
Alright, so we all watch
Oh, my K2 is going off.
What is that?
Dude, what's up, first?
Did you hear that?
Alright, well, what's the question you want to ask?
Can you make a sound?
Grabe. Can you make a sound raw? So, nag-response siya. Nag-response yung Momo. Nakakatakot. Kakakilabot naman to mga kaibigan. So, tuloy natin. Oh! My
Bro,
goodness!
Don't move. Frank, bro.
Umano yung pinto mga guys. Umano yung pinto dun sa may likod nila. Katakot. Nagparamdam yung Momo sa loob ng haunted mansion. Grabe, creepy talaga tong Nooks Top 5. Pero hindi siya katulad ni Pipoy Tandok na nang gugulat, no? May jump scare pa. Pero ito nakakilabot talaga, no? So tuloy natin. Goodness.
No, but it's the wood on it. I can see it from here.
Uy, nagsalita. Here daw, here. Oh my goodness. Creepy talaga, napaka-creepy.
Yep. Sounds like a crow.
Oh, Todd, talk.
What?
You're not in the right state of mind. Stop. You're
May
not.
nagsalita no? Ayan, may sumigaw pa. Nako, grabe. May sumigaw pa sa loob ng ng haunted mansion. Ba't kasi na-jump pa kayo, no?
My goodness.
Takot, eh.
Joe from Urban Ghosts Urban Exploration suddenly
Aba, nako.
says that it's back.
Nakatakot ako mga kaibigan.
It's really
Kahit araw.
burning.
My goodness.
Oh no.
Bro, what is that? Right there?
Ay, nagkasugat siya.
I feel like some
Nagkasugat siya. Naku, sinugatan siya ng Momo sa likod. Grabe, nakalitaw pa yung ano yun. No?
kind of marks on your back.
Look at that. Looks like it's all.
Oh my goodness.
There's like a mark right there. Like a I can't go up higher.
Guys,
Pull up higher.
there's
Hannah.
a lot of movement in the staircase.
You see any more? There's one down here, like a big.
You got like a black.
Like looks like someone hit you, like a bruise.
Back's burning up, man. Like I feel like something like burned my back.
What the frick? That's what it looks like.
But by far the most bizarre thing that the crew catches on video is something in the upstairs window.
Hey.
Ay, katakot, boy. Katakot naman dyan mag-explore, oh. Pag nakita mo yan, no? Napakadilim, tas baka may sumilip pa dun sa salamin, eh, mga kaibigan.
Look in the window. Look in the window. There's a head. There's somebody looking at us. Look in that window. Look in that window.
Uy! Usang galamin nakasilip sa salamin. Oh my goodness, doon sa Miss Cortina, oh. Kulay itim, mga kaibigan. Ulitin natin. Grabe, nakakatakot naman yan. Haunted talaga, mga kaibigan.
There's somebody looking at us. Look in that window. Look in that window.
Oh my goodness. Ayan, oh, katakot yung mukha, boy. My goodness. Eee! Nakasilip sa salamin.
Dude, are you kidding me? Somebody's here. What do we do?
I don't think anybody lives there, bro. But
What do we do?
There's nothing there.
What do we do?
There's nothing there, bro.
Someone or something seems to be peering out at them from inside the house. But when they go inside to check, there's no one there.
Wala daw na dun sa loob. Nagpakita sa kanila, nagpakita.
Just taking pictures.
Oh my god, that's freaked me out, man. Should we all go up?
I don't know if you guys saw that there was something looking
Should we
out
all
the
go up
window.
there?
Yeah.
And now it's gone.
I'm gonna check out the first floor.
Joe, just be careful. It was in that right, to the right, to the right. Yep. Well, obviously, you still have.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Was it this?
So scary.
Oh,
That's where it was, right?
that's the window, Joe. Let's.
Check the attic.
Takot, boy. Baka bigla may lumitaw dyan.
Somebody's here. Somebody, that was a face.
But this story takes another very odd twist.
Meron pa daw sila nakita, bago.
Because a few days later, Joe from
Pumunta na naman sila dun. Pagkatapos ng ilang araw, pumunta na naman sila dun. So napakadilim na sa loob ng bahay ng mga kaibigan.
Urban Ghost Urban Explorations decides to return to the house by himself.
Bumalik.
And he accidentally catches more creepy footage as he speaks to the camera.
Oh my goodness, may nagsalita ba dyan? Nakatakot naman yan.
Pretty sure that there's people
Ano
outside.
yan? Oh my goodness. May sumilip na itim dun ng mga kaibigan. Grabe talaga.
And I'm
Uy,
pretty
umano rin.
sure this place is
Bumalik
freaking
din.
haunted.
Parang yung kina Dax, kinabalbaliw yung sa pumunta sila sa cemetery, may sumilip. Grabe.
I guess what has me the most freaked out about this place is the fact that I left the other day with such a feeling of helplessness,
Ayan, sumilip na naman.
and I was burned on my back, so it kind of makes me want to come back here.
Grabe.
Some bizarre shadow figure that looks almost like the silhouette of a young girl keeps peeking around the
Ayun, no?
corner
Walang mukha no? Itim
behind
lang.
him. So did these
Takot,
ghost
boy.
hunters catch real paranormal evidence?
Baka yan yun, no?
Or
Grabe
is it all
katakot.
an elaborate hoax? You decide.
You decide. Okay.
The House of the Devil.
Oh my goodness.
Ghost hunter Abdullah Al-Ambari explores supposedly haunted locations around his country of Saudi Arabia and streams them live on Snapchat. In this video, he's visiting a haunted house known to
Uy!
local ghost hunters
Ano yung
as,
pinto mo?
quote, the House of the Devil.
Grabe naman yan, House of the Deving.
As you might expect, it doesn't go well.
My goodness. Nagdadasal na siya. Ano pala to? Arabo.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
My goodness. Parang may
Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
mga ano yung pinto, guys. Grabe.
Bismillah.
My goodness.
صوت غريب يا جماعة.
Meron daw siya narinig na kakaibang tunog. Oh my goodness, nagwala.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان.
Binukasara yung pinto. Grabe. Ano kaya yan? May kasama siya dyan. Nakakatakot naman yan. Sumigaw na siya, sumigaw.
لا.
Creepy boy.
بسم الله. بسم الله. بسم الله.
Parang may sumilip pa dun.
الرحمن
Ayan.
بسم الله الرحمن
goodness.
الرحيم. بسم الله. بسم الله.
Umiiyak na siya, umiiyak. Sobrang takot na, guys. Grabe, nagwala yung mumu sa loob ng ng haunted na yan. Grabe, mga kaibigan. Intense talaga. Labot. Mukha hindi ka makakawala dyan ngayon. Yari ka. May sumilip pa yata.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله اقسم بالله يا جماعه اقسم بالله ما انا عارف امشي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Oh my goodness, Umara. Inulak mo yata yun eh.
ايش اللي يسوي هنا استغفر الله العظيم بسم الله
Sinundan siya, sinundan.
الرحمن الرحيم
Takot naman to, boy.
بسم الله
Wawala yung yung mumu nagwawala. Ba't kasi pumunta ka pa dyang Arabo ka? Ayan. Umano tuloy, nagwala. Ginambala mo siya dyan sa loob, binak. Takot, boy.
Abdullah Al-Ambari decides to finally just get out of there. You can watch more of Abdullah's adventures over on his YouTube channel or live
Si
on the
Abdullah
Snapchat.
pala yun, Abdullah Al-Ambari daw.
Ghost in the Cabin.
Ghost in the Cabin. Oh my goodness, Ghost in the Cabin. Yan na yung pang top 1 ha. So, nag-i-expect tayo, nakakatakot. Ito talaga grabe mga kaibigan.
Paranormal investigator Ricky Velasquez is live streaming his exploration of a haunted cabin in the middle of nowhere. As he approaches the building, he sees something absolutely terrifying.
Napakadilim. Kung yung kanina madilim na, mas madilim pa to. Grabe kaibigan talaga. Ano yan? May nakasilip sa salamin, no?
En la casa sí está medio.
Haunted na haunted talaga tong house na to. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Para may sisilip sa salamin. Napakadilim. Grabe guys. Tas yung structure ng bahay niya, kahoy na kahoy pa, no? Grabe talaga. No, creepy. Oh my goodness.
Se avisan, ¿no? ¡Qué mierda!
Yan. Ano nakita niya? Katakot naman to.
Se avisan, ¿no?
Ay! Oh, sanggala may black lady sa loob. My goodness. Tapang naman ito, pinuntahan pa talaga sa loob mga kaibigan. Ako talaga to.
Amazingly, Ricky charges toward the building. He searches the structure, but he finds no sign of the strange woman he saw in the window. So did he see a ghost?
Pusang gala, nakakatakot yung mukha, kaibigan. Tingnan niyo yung pagka-black niya doon sa may gitna. Ayan, sa taas yung ulo niya. Meron talagang face, pero ano siya? Blurred. Silhouette lang, ano mga kaibigan.
Or did Ricky Velasquez
Napaka-creepy
somehow
nito.
manage to fake a disappearing woman on an actual live
Totoo na talaga yan. Di na natin madedebunk yan mga kaibigan, no?
stream?
Sobrang creepy. Nagparamdam. So, ayan. Hanggang dyan na lang muna ang ating reaction video kay Nooks Top 5. At sana naman nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood itong napaka-creepy top 5 na pinaka-nakakatakot na multo na nakuhanan sa camera. So yan mga kaibigan, ganyan na lang muna ang ating reaction video. Grabe na, sobrang nakakatakot talaga. Yung napanood natin dito ngayon talagang top 5 talaga mga kaibigan. So hanggang dyan na lang muna ang ating reaction video sa nakakatakot na ito. At palike, share, subscribe naman sa ating video. And bye!